Hey everybody, welcome back to 3D Cool Hacks. Right now I just got done printing these two sneakers for my wife. She requested some shoes, and when she asked for these I was very surprised. So I went through, I sliced up the print, I cloned it, and I got two of them. This print took me a total of 9 hours to get done with all the waste that you see right here. That's where I got really disappointed where it came to the Bambu P1S. I have been looking into the Bambu H series where it comes to the multi-hot ends. I can't afford it. They want anywhere from $2,100 to $2,300 for that one. So I started researching the SnapMaker. So the SnapMaker right now is on sale for $849.99 with free shipping, and it's about 2 days out. Haven't told my wife about it just yet where it comes to the purchase, so I'm hoping that I don't get the divorce papers because she already thinks I have one too many printers right here where it comes to my printing hobby. And I just want to give you a breakdown where it comes to all of this right here. So right here with all this waste when it comes to the Bambu P1S, this thing right here cost me anywhere from $2.09 for the filament to $4.42. And it took me 9 hours to do this print. And that's where I got humbled, where I just kept emptying my poop bucket. But if I had that SnapMaker U1, this would have been $1.15 to $2.16 with 2 to 2.5 hours to print. So it was just a lot of wasted time, wasted energy, and I felt like wasted money. But yeah, so I will be getting that in the next couple days, and hopefully I don't get divorce papers after that big box comes in. But look forward to me setting that up and showing you about this, because like that is the Oracle slicer period what they actually have their UI on, and I use Bambu, so this is going to be a learning experience for me just where it comes to using the slicer itself. But I've done some research and I feel like I could get this to look pretty well, because I have experimented with multicolored prints before. And where it comes to that particular option, I did print out these Marios that I really like. This Mario right here that you see is multiple pieces. This one right here is where it comes to the multiple print. So it does not do that good of a job where it comes to the P1S with the AMS on there. So realistically, hopefully this purchase that I make will help me just save a lot of time, energy, and filament. But look forward to seeing that video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, everybody.